All right, I just got back to my house. I have everything that I need, and I'm about to furnish the van. Wow. First step, putting in the Bear mattress. This is gonna be fun because these things are packed up real tight and they inflate after you open them up. It's really sick, so I'm excited for this. Bear mattress for the dream. Here we go. The most comfortable mattress in the game going in the back right here. Yes. All right, here we go. I'm excited. All right, look at this. Vacuum sealed mattress. Watch how much this thing grows. All right, all the pieces are in place. Let's do this. It's growing, it's growing. Oh my God, it's growing into place. How good does that thing look? Perfect fit. Thanks, Bear Mattress, for the dream. How's this lifestyle? You're kidding me. Oh, it's over. Game over for the win. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Bear Mattress, for the dream.